Hi, good evening, everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, again, another Thursday, and me, Harshit Gautam, data scientist at AiSPRY. I'm back with our exclusive resume preparation sessions. Right. So, let's start it without any delay. Talking about agenda, that what are the things that we are going to discuss today. So, first of all, why to tailor your resume, understanding job description, which is also widely known as JD. After that, identifying our relevant skills and experiences, using keywords, then customizing the layout of your resume, then cover letter, final tips and best practices. Now, talking about resume, first of all, when you apply for a job after a long preparation, right? Your resume will be a document which will hold all these skills that you have pertaining to that job. Then all those experiences, your graduation, your post graduation, all those certificates that you gained from 360 DigiTMG, right? So it will be basically one virtual representation of yourself. Now, talking about resume, that why to tailor it. So for visibility and relevance, it will enhance your visibility in front of hiring managers, then alignment with the job and culture. So basically talking about like any job, when you apply for it, like resume will be something that you will be sending to them, that hey, this is information about me, and this document which is resume holds basic information about me. If you like it, you can like go further with this profile. So resume is very important. Interview chances, when your resume is good, it is aligned with the job culture, so there are higher chances that you might get selected, your interview might get selected for interview round, right? So since you will not be only one who is applying for the job, that is why now you will have to stand out anyhow. There will be a lot of students, a lot of applicants applying for same job role. Now why they should choose you, that you will mention in your resume, right? And we will see how you will do this. But before you go for applying, you click to the apply button. Like I have seen many students, I see them that they see any vacancy and they hit that apply button, which is not correct. Let me tell you why. There is something called as job description, right? Job description. Now, what is that? It will be basically one document which will hold all the bullet points, all the skills required for that job, like that job. Now, for each job description, each job, there will be separate like roles and responsibilities, all those required skills. But you have one resume and you are applying for all those job roles, which is not correct. So, what should we do? What is the correct manner to apply for those jobs? Well, first of all, you should identify and prioritize your skills, your key skills, right? Which are mentioned in that JD, which you need to have to get that job, right? Then you should focus on essentials, like all those basic qualifications, like you should be a graduate, then you should have all those certificates that we provide in 360 Digit MG. After that, you should adopt job language. Okay. For example, talking about data science, there is like not other language, like in terms of technical words we are talking about. Like you should mention more about statistics, mathematics, probability, all those things. So you should adopt those terminologies in your resume. Then interview insights. When you read that JD carefully, you can predict that what kind of questions they might ask you in interview. So it will help you. After that, how to identify your relevant skills and experiences. First of all, list out all those experiences and skills that you have and that they are asking in JD, and match both of them, right? Then highlight your achievements. Now, when we talk about highlighting the achievements, we basically talk about quantifying your skills, right? Quantify in the sense, for example, you can write that I led a team of 15 people to work on this project. So that 15 people led these keywords, they will let them know that, okay, you not only participated in the project, but you handled that project end to end. Okay, this will impress them. Now, prioritize your content. You should highlight most relevant experiences first. You might have 5 to 6 different job roles done in past. Now, one or two of them, like they engaged Excel, for example, or Power BI, or any other tool like SQL or anything. So you should highlight those things. You should highlight those experiences in your resume first. After that, update. Now, update is something that no one needs to tell you. It should be your priority all the time. Always, you should try to update your knowledge in terms of technology or any library, any code, anything. Second thing, update your resume also. Right. So once you update your knowledge, you can mention that and update in your resume. After that, keywords. Now, there is something called as ATS software. When you apply for a job, there will be thousands of applicants like you applying for same job role. All of those applications in form of resume will be sent to ATS software. Now, that ATS software will match keywords, and based on that, it will give your resume one ATS score. Now, top ATS scores are selected for interview rounds. So, how to improve your your resume's ATS software? Well, for that you should know which are the keywords that you need to mention in your resume. So you should identify relevant keywords first of all. You should not put everything. You should be natural. Then only you can do this. Then balancing uses of keywords. Don't put everything again. After that, avoid keyword stuffing. So these are basic things. Then layout. So you have like multiple layout options available. So you can go with chronological or functional or combination formats, any of these three. You should keep your layout in such a way that it should be readable. It should be neat and clean. Okay. It should not be too congested. Then strategic placement. So for example, there is your resume. Now you have to put one part will hold your educational background, one will hold your skills, one will hold your experiences and projects that you have worked on, your certifications that you get from 360, all those things. So you should know which part we should place where. Okay. Talking about cover letter. So cover letter will help you to provide your resume a personal touch. It will express your interest that why you are excited about this chance to get this job. Then aligning experience with goals, all those things. So overall cover letter will be a personal like uh, reporting towards recruiter. Talking about best tips and best practices. So you should proofread your resume. You should know what you have written in your resume. Okay, you should take feedback from your mentors or career advisors. Then you should keep it current, updating your resume properly. Engage in network, build your same domain. They will help you to know what is going on in the same domain, right? Talking about famous job portals. So these are job portals where you can create your profile and you can apply for different job roles. That includes Naukri.com, Shine.com, Times Jobs, all these platforms. Here are few Google search results. So what is this? Let me explain. You don't know where to go, where to search for a job, who to ask. Well, you don't need to ask anyone in person. You can go to browser, Google or Chrome, and you can search, like people search like data science jobs in India. So this is the result they get. They search fresher data science jobs and vacancies. They get results like now, talking about keywords for data science and data analytics resume. So these are the uh, famous keywords. For example, for technical skills, analytical skills, data management, soft skills, business understanding, all those things. Okay. Now, talking about frequently asked questions in interview. So these are few famous questions that people ask to applicants, like why should we hire you, or how could you have improved your career progress in your current ongoing job, or as a student. Are you willing to relocate or travel? These kind of basic questions. Now, these are quite subjective questions, so you can decide what you should answer. Okay, talking about how to connect with us. So you can call us on this contact number for more information: 1-800-212-654-321. Okay, you can inquiry us at this email address, and this is our official site, which I will be walking you through, 360digitmg.com. Talking about our offline learning centers, so we have in Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Chennai. These are our main offline centers, and along with that, we have our franchises all across the globe. After that, talking about social media platforms, so you can scan these QR codes and you can follow us on these social media platforms. Now, I'll take 2 minutes to walk you through our official site. Just 1 minute. Yeah. So this is our official site, 360digitmg.com. If you go to this page, on the top, you have learning resources. There you will have this option. You just have to hover over your cursor there. You will get resume optimization hub. Okay. Now, just 1 minute. Let it load. Yeah. You click on this get started for free now, and you can sign up also. Yeah. So here, what you have to do, you have to upload your resume, which will be in PDF or document format. Okay. And after that, here on this place, you can either type or copy paste your job description, like the job you are going to apply for. And either if the JD is a file, you can choose file from here. It's your choice. After that, what you have to do, you have to click on this compare now. Once you do this, you will get to know which are the keywords present in your resume and which are the keywords missing in your resume, right? And you can like compare, and at the same time, it will help you to download the updated resume also. So you can utilize this software. So that was all for today. Thanks everyone for joining the session, and let us know, did you like this session in comment section, and we will again meet next Thursday. Thank you. Thanks everyone for joining the session.